Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Notion template I created to organize your PLAB 1 preparation. Since this is a Notion template, basic understanding of Notion is necessary for the use of it. If you haven't used Notion before, I advise you first learn the basics. Now let's get started. I would like to start with an overview of what the template includes, and then we'll go more into depth with each part. So when you open it up, you're going to see you're going to be received with these introduction messages, under which you have the dashboard. On the left side, you have a column with widgets. And here in the center, you have what is my preparation approach. So it's everything I did and would have wanted to do during my preparation. And it's a summary of what I wish I would have known when I was starting out my PLAB 1 preparation. So I wrote this after I finished my PLAB 1, and I divided the preparation into 3 phases, which we will discuss later on. Here in this section, you have the 2 main databases that make this template. So this is the subject tracker and calendar. It's a list of all the subjects. It is organized by length, and it is also a calendar. So the same information that is listed is also turned into a calendar with dates. And this here is the exact dates I used during my preparation. It's how long it took me to cover each subject and how I organized it. Everything overall was done in about 4 months. I'll talk more about this later. Under this, you have the study notes databases. If you decide that you want to take notes during your preparation and you decide that those notes are going to be digital, then this is something that I used at the beginning of my preparation a lot. It organizes all of your notes by subjects, reviews, mastery, high yield source, and nice guidelines. I do disclaim that I used them a lot at the beginning of my preparation, but then decided not to continue doing notes. But here I leave some example notes for you to see if you wish to. Under this, I have some suggestions of time blocks. I think time blocking is one of your best friends for the PLAB 1 preparation. It really helps you organize your time and your day and lets you know how much study time there really is in hand for you each day, so that you can plan your study week accordingly. So me personally, during the most part of my preparation, I had to work. So I have here the time blocks for the 3 types of days that I had, which is full day studies, afternoon studies, and morning studies. So it's just an example for you guys to see how you can take 7, 4, and 6 hours of study a day and still get to finish early, do your gym workouts, have your lunch breaks, and go to work for those of you who don't have the full time study availability. So these are just suggestions. They're here for you to turn them into what suits you and what reflects your real life. But just an example of how I actually did it.